This is me. This is single mother of 7. Come and check me out. Come and check me out. Yes. I'm trying to get into this stuff. You know, daughter been telling me, Mama, son, Mama, go ahead and do your stuff. You feel me? Let them see you. I'm like, okay. Let me get up on here and let them see me real quick. You feel me? Put this down. Stir it up a little bit. Let you see it. Let you see it. I ain't got that much dish. I got the water. That's for the mashed potatoes. About to put the corn on. Yes, I'm on a new journey, new things, new stuff. Get in tune with it. What they say, you ain't seasoning. Sneezing, you ain't seasoning. You know? So, new things for me.
So what you doing?
I'm like, recording. I'm a corn starter, you know. Talk to me. What motivated you to get up today? Me? I had a good prayer. Woke me up. Keep me going, keep me focused. Yeah, he is good. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. All the time. Get up, motivate yourself. Get up and do something. Yeah. We got some biscuits for dessert. Woo. Who can beat it? With some water. Drink your water. And now, we're going to cook for y'all for a little while. A little bit. Hey. They like the beast out, you feel me? They talked about me so bad when I was low, when I didn't have nothing. I was broken, living in my car with my kids. Hey, he had to break me, bring me to my lowest to get to my highest. And he's doing that. And I can speak about it, and I can tell people what I had to go through. But hey, me and my kids are here now, you know? So, from now on, I'm just trying to make some money for them, get them everything they need, and get this understanding of life that I need for myself, for my kids. Work on myself, continue working on myself to give my kids a better life and a better future. That's all I want to do. I can't ask for nothing more, nothing less. See my mom. Every time I get in the kitchen, I put her in the kitchen with me so she can cook with me. You see what I'm saying? It's my mama. I lost her. She gave us a good fight. Yes, she did. Yes, she gave us a good fight, and I'm so proud of her that she did her thing. Let me put her back right here, you know. I gotta wash my hands. Yes. Mama gave us a good fight. My grandma did. Yeah, so I'm proud of them. I had my setback. I lost everything. You know, people do that sometimes. But When everybody turn their back on me, only thing I can do is just praise this man. Because he did so much for me. And when he brought me down and I went down, and I can't do nothing but fall on him and count on him and praise him, I did. And now, I'm ready to serve him. You know? Yeah. I want everybody to know my journey. Everybody to know what I've been through. If you going through it, if you've been through it, you can overcome this. You can overcome being depressed. You can overcome everything in life, but you gotta want to. And I wanna make it for my kids. I need to survive for my kids. I need to survive for me. I gotta take care of myself.
Excuse me.
I've been poor.
Mama, the why you
I've
got
been had a little
biscuits
money.
for? The why you got
But
biscuits? The
I'm
why
ready
you got
to
biscuits?
receive my blessing for my kids. I'm ready.
The why you
Y'all
got
enjoy your
biscuits?
night. And we about to finish join ours.
The why you got
Believe in
biscuits?
yourself and keep your faith and keep your head up high. And you can do it.